you, lovely people? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing fine. Just have slight sore throat and runny nose, and that's the reason I might be sounding a little toadish. But please bear with me today, and because I just couldn't stay away from doing a review of the new lippy that I had purchased. So I have a recently new addition in my collection, which is your NYX lingerie collection of lipsticks, and I have the shade Ruffle Trim that I purchased for 650 rupees from Nykaa. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is not the first shade that I have. I always had another shade which is number 17, which is your Seduction. So these are similar shades. This is a little darker shade and this is a little lighter shade. That's about it. If you want more nude color, then this is the nude one, and this is something that's a little having a pink undertone, a slightly more pink undertone to it, and this is a little brighter. Okay, so that's the only difference between these two lip colors. I remember the first time I went to a NYX store, which was in Inorbit Mall, Goregaon, Mumbai. I had gone to purchase Ruffle Trim because I had heard a lot of reviews about it and seen a lot of reviews about it. But when I went and I checked this color out, I really fell in love with this color, and that's the reason I purchased this. And somehow I was not that time into nude shades, so that's the reason I was not really keen on buying this one. I was more into bright colors, and I wanted a brighter nude for myself, so that's the reason I had purchased Seduction. But over the years, I realized that now I want to get into more of a nudish kind of a color, and that's the reason I purchased this one recently. So I'll first talk about how this liquid lipstick performs basically. So okay, I'll just start with the lighter lip color first, which is your Ruffle Trim. So if you see, you have the brand name written here, which is your NYX, which is the collection name, which is your lingerie collection. Then the name of the shade is here with the number. So this shade number is 04, and the name of the shade is Ruffle Trim, and it has a very nice sturdy packaging. Okay, and it is not any kind of I mean, it is kind of printed. All these everything that is printed on this is technically printed. It's not a clear packaging on which the printing has been done. So it's a very nice packaging for a 650 rupees lipstick. So this I have purchased for 650 from Nykaa. And yeah, so when you open it, this has a plastic cap here, and when you open it, and you have a clear packaging here, so you'll be able to see the content of the lip color outside to be able to determine what lip color this is. Okay, so this you open, and then you find a doe foot applicator. Okay, this applicator is very straight. It doesn't have any angle. If you can see, it doesn't have any angle, but there is enough and much control that is required to be applying this lip color. The only thing is, when you're applying it, you have to be careful at the cupid's brow here, because that is where somehow it becomes a little flimsy or a little difficult, or it goes a little out of control. The consistency of this liquid lip color is creamy. Okay, so this is a creamy lip color, so it requires a lot of precision when you're applying this lip color to be able to apply it evenly. So you need control when you're taking the lip color from the container and you're applying it also. You need enough and more control about the quantity that you have taken. You don't have to take too much quantity because it is creamy and it is very opaque. So a little goes a long way. You don't have to use too much of anything because it's pretty opaque. It's very drying on the lips, extremely drying. So please be sure that whenever you plan to use this lip color, please moisturize your lip, exfoliate your lip, actually exfoliate your lip and moisturize your lip at least in the night. Put a lip balm, or I generally put an olive oil or some kind of oil on my lip and I sleep over it. So at least do that so that you're moisturizing it, because this is extremely dry. Another problem with this is that apart from being extremely drying, it kind of forms a coating, and this is a problem with lip colors which have a creamy consistency. If it's a liquidy consistency, it's kind of a much more easier in application. It is much more light on the lips. This is not very light on the lips, so it will kind of accentuate every lip line that you have, every crack or everything that is there on the lip, it will kind of accentuate it. So please moisturize your lip, please exfoliate your lip before using this lip color. Then I think apart from that, I don't think there is any problem with this lip color, except one more thing is its staying power. It stays for 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, before which it starts fading. And if you've had something in the middle, then it starts fading a little more quicker. But that's with a lot of lip color. So this is also one of them which kind of starts fading very, very fast. But the good part about this lip color is it does not become powdery. It just goes on fading evenly, so that's the good part. And yes, you cannot reapply this lip color on the lip color that is already there, so you got to remove that lip color, because as I said, it's heavy on the lips, so you got to remove the previous coating and then you have to apply this coating. So that's the thing that you have to remember. But for the price, for $650, this is an amazing brand to have if you are into liquid lipsticks. If you are not into liquid lipstick, then this will be very drying and you will not really like it. It tends to become patchy when you're applying it, so make sure that you apply it evenly, and take the optimum amount that is required. Other than that, I think the packaging is a plus. It looks very, very beautiful. It's very nice, and I think though it is thick and all, it is a very good, I mean, it has very nice colors, especially the two colors that I'm talking about. So yeah, this is what I think about this lip color. And I think the very fact that this is my second one and I have had previously Seduction and I have used it over and over again, means that this could be a nice lip color for the price that you pay. So yeah, this is what I think about this lip color. Now I'll just start getting into the swatches. So the first color that I'm going to swatch is Ruffle Trim, which is the newest edition in my collection. Okay, now let's get started with the swatches. This is Ruffle Trim. So this is Ruffle Trim, guys, and this is nothing but a very new shade. This is more towards a peachy side. The difference between the two colors that I'll talk about is this is a peachy nude. And this is a very nice peachy nude. It tends to oxidize a lot. Okay, so right now you might be thinking that, okay, this is a very light color and this will wash me out, but in some time this will literally settle down into a little rosewoodish peach kind of a color. So this is what your Ruffle Trim looks like. As you might have seen that it is not very difficult to apply, but you have to be careful about the quantity that you're taking out and the quantity that you're applying on your lip, and just make sure that it does not get patchy by you having an uneven application or using the doe foot applicator and putting it unevenly, because you can't keep on coating the same area because it tends to get patchy. You have to allow it to dry for some time, because it is sticky in the beginning. After some time it dries up and then it feels comfortable on the lips. So this is the color, guys, that you can see. Okay, so this is your Ruffle Trim, and this is a very, very beautiful peachy color, very, very beautiful peachy pink, peachy color. Yes, so it's a very beautiful peachy color. Now let's get into Seduction, which is my favorite lip color of all times. Like, that is a lip color that I have used left, right, center whenever I wanted, and I've used it day, night, every time, like for brunches and everything. So it looks beautiful under the sun. It looks beautiful in indoor lightings. It's a very pretty color, and it kind of suits my wheatish complexion. So yeah, now let's just get into the next lip color, which is your Seduction. As you can see, this is a much brighter color from the Ruffle Trim that I had swatched earlier. So this is a little more brighter. So if you have If you are more inclined towards bright colors and not the colors which are little dull, then you know this is a very nice brighter nude, and it's a very beautiful color which it literally which slightly tints more towards a pinky side and has little less of peach and more of pink, you know, from the previous ruffle trim which had a lot more of peach. So this is what the color looks like on my lips. So this is seduction for you guys, and that was ruffle trim. Now I'll quickly do the swatches on my hand. So guys, if you see, these are the two colors side by side. The first one is ruffle trim and the second one is seduction. The first one, if you see, has more peach and this one has more pink, you know. So that's the difference. One is a little darker and brighter and this one is a little paler and lighter. So that's the difference between these two colors. They are quite similar, but it's just that a little bit of change in the brightness of these two colors. So if you are more towards a darker complexion side, then this color would do wonders. It would be the perfect nude for your lips. And if you are towards my complexion and you want exactly something that is very light, then this is the one. Please remember that this lip color oxidizes, so you know it might look pale right now, but in some time it just gets darker with time. So yeah, this is what you guys have to remember when you buy these lip colors. And otherwise it's a proper, it's a perfect value for money kind of a lip color. Please exfoliate and moisturize your lip whenever you're using this lip color. So that's the last notes from my side. Thank you for tuning in, and if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share, and till I come again for the next video. Thank you so much guys for being with me. Thank you. Bye bye.